Feeling good, like I should.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this.
What's up guys, Boss GB is back. And today's vlog, pupunta kami check-in kami sa Green Papaya Resort dito po sa Panglao. Kasi first wedding anniversary ng kapatid ko. Then doon kami mag-overnight. See you sa site natin ngayon.
Feeling solo, cause I was going solo. Now it's kind of blurry, hard to go not knowing how it's really going. But don't you worry, I'm coming home every day. I know you've been waiting, your hope has been fading. Coming home, you've been waiting way too long. I've seen all the world, we were my world. It's been a while, and it's been a while, but I'll leave my new life behind. Coming home, you've been waiting way too long. Coming home. Making my way through highways and borders so that I never take any orders. Oh, didn't take long before I got homesick. Been away so long and now I'm in panic. Oh, I was feeling solo, cause I was going solo. Now it's kind of blurry, hard to go not knowing how it's really going. But don't you worry, I'm coming home every day. I know you've been waiting, your hope has been fading.
So guys, we're here at the Green Papaya Resort.
And it's been a while, but I'll leave my new life behind. Coming home, you've been waiting way too long. Coming home.
Taas ubos. Kay puro tataas mo libot man adto. Ito nga hagdan adto pikas.
Oo. Pero ako banta sa
Duha ko kwarto wall ani up down.
ato lang taas.
Kamo. Sila mama papare ubos.
Isa ka dali bi. Ani ja babaw. Ato taas. Ato mataas eh. Tiglini ka ni naman. Isa sa ko. Pato taas na.
So ayun guys, dito na kami naka-check-in na. So sliding door tayo ngayon guys. Ito yung pwede ka dito may saksakan. Ito yung bed. Yung pagkain. TV. Lamin. Bowl. CR. Ito yung CR nila. Ayan. Yung malinis pa. Yung malinis. Kaya dyan kayo maliligo. Okay din naman siya. So, mga reminders. Katurang.
Adto sa laom day. Panglaw.
Pila na.
7 raman. 7.
Ang pagkano?
Wa. Ato ba dyan? Tabok. Binaw? Tuwa dyan.
Ha?
Tuway.
Oh, sige na.
Itong kada una. Anak ra ka ha. Sige daw, gamay naman 0.75 na diri. Tagunya ha? Tagunya na, sige.
Hindi ka na ba dito niyo? Ingiro ko. Hello guys, ako Budoy. Ay, ako Budoy. Adi na ginamit tagdo. Oo. Oo.
Diyan.
Oh my god. Magana mong god. Angat. So umaga na, nandito pa rin kami sa Green Papaya Resort ng Panglao. Nakarang kami lang nandito. So parang naka-private yung resort sa amin. Pero yun nga, isang araw lang kami dito. So for guys, maganda. Enjoy yung mga bata. Ako, enjoy din naman ako sa swimming pool. So overall, okay siya guys. So for the family na nagbabudget yung money na nyo, so you can visit Green Papaya Resort here at Panglao, Tawala. So far so good. So andun mga bata, ligo na. Tingnan nyo naman, okay naman yung resort na to. So hindi naman sa tinataasan ko yung standard, kasi nandun ko sa Bellevue Resort. Ganda talaga yung pang 5 star talaga yung resort ng Bellevue. So doon ako nag-work, as I mentioned kanina. So dito binababaan ko yung standard na kumbaga ano yung mga napansin ko sa resort. Yan, hindi ako na-expect ng masyado mataas, kasi kumbaga parang tayo din yan, small YouTuber versus mga big YouTuber. So guys, ito, malakad-lakad lang tayo kasi kami lang dito. Mga bata doon naliligo na sa swimming pool. Ayan, naliligo na sila. Alam nyo naman, pagbata.
A few moments later.
Uwi na. So, thank you Green Papaya Resort sa inyong swimming pool. Thank you ninyo, manguli namin. And guys, manguli namin guys. So, dito na lang tatapusin ang vlog na to. See you to my next vlog.